Hallelujah. Shalom, brothers. Brother Chris has already arrived. From this moment, he is now with his family. Sister Tata, his wife, and because of his faithfulness, he is now here with his family. Sister Tata, and Brother Chris, and his motorcycle driver, and the the mother of Brother Chris, and his father, Tatay. Tatay. They arrive early as of now, and we are very, very happy because of the faithfulness of one of our brothers and his family, that willing to be always in his covenant and his commandment. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Yung sunod di mo motor ba? Oo. Sunod. Balik mo isa. Balik pa ate? Balik ka ni. Makinig siya balik. Kapit ko dito? Dito ba? Imong masikarantay. Anay. Pero mamit din na yung sister dito. Sister and brother. Ay. Kita na lang ni mahuman na ni kay. Mahuman. Hindi ko naman tayo.
Wala ba si isunod sa tinggal? Uy, kaayo.
Tay.